Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the London Silver Bullet for October 4th. So before we go over to the chart, I like to go pull up the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator. You can get that in the description of this video. I'll tell you how to get it. Click on the link in the description and follow the instructions. So before I come here, I'm gonna pull down I'm gonna pull up Asia session, the high and the low, and just see where that is. Okay, so there's the high, hasn't been cleared, and then obviously the low has not been cleared yet. And then right here at 2 o'clock, not 204, 205, 206, it does clear the Asia low. Okay, so let's get rid of the Asia low. London is going on right now, so let's look at the PM session. Let's see if that is on here somewhere. All right, so obviously PM sell side has been taken. Buy side has not been taken, right? So that's still available. So let's take off the low because it's already been cleared out. So let's remove that. All right, so we've taken out liquidity here. That's where we're at right now. Okay, let me close out of that. All right, let's see here. So before we even start, sell side's been taken, right? So I'd like to see a reversal because we've taken out the Asia low and I'm looking for Asia high up here. And then granted, that's a long distance to go. My target would actually probably be the high of the day right now, which is right here. Those very well could stay open. I don't know. So this would be a good draw first, the high of the day. Here's the new midnight line. Here's the New York midnight open price right there. So let's just see what happens here. Okay, let's just okay, so yes, I see a fair value gap right there. Am I taking that? No, because I'm not counting this as a market structure shift. That's not what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for this to be taken out. So I'm looking for a bigger move. So I want to see this being taken out to confirm that we're definitely going long. So does this trade work out? I don't know. If I would have taken it. And if we clear this high would be good. That's what I'm looking for market structure shift. So okay, I do like seeing these bullish volume imbalances. To me, those are tell signs that we are going higher. So maybe we did miss the move on this right here. Okay, we definitely have a market structure shift right there. Okay. Okay, so I pull the fib from low to high. Here's equilibrium, right? Now I do see a fair value gap right here, and I see a fair value gap right here. But I also see a fair value gap down here. I see optimal trade entry down here, and I also see an order block right here. Now you can take your order block to this candle right here, right there. Not the low, below the two down closed candles. There's your order block, and right at down the bottom of optimal trade entry. So I'd really like to be down here, not up here. So I'd like to see a deeper retracement, deeper pullback to go long. So I'm not going to take this fair value gap, and ideally, I don't want to take this one either. I'd like to come down here into the order block, the fair value gap, the lower portion of the OTE. So that's what I'm looking for. Let's see if we get it. It does touch the equilibrium line right there. Hopefully it comes back down. Okay, so see, I'm seeing these bearish volume imbalances. So I'm definitely waiting. That's telling me it's going to come push further down. So I don't want to enter right here because that'd be stopped out because it's aggressively moving. Okay, I'm going to take a trade right there. I'm going to buy 2 right there. Buy 2 there. My long position on right here. Where am I aiming for? Like I said, the high of the day. Right there. Obviously, we have Asia way up higher than this, so we can go much higher than this. But 20 handles, I'll take that all day long, right? I mean, anything over the New York midnight open, I'll definitely be taking partials. I'll be raising my stop. I mean, this is 20 handles, right? So I can't wait till it goes over to 12 handles before I even move my stop to break even, right? So I'm not going to take a partial here. I still take partials about 60%, but I'll definitely move my stop to break even when I clear this high. So I'm just being honest with you. Okay, I wicked into even deeper, which is great. Still respecting it. I want to see aggressive move upwards now. It hit the order block. It's in an OTE. Okay, that's much better. It clears that right there. Stop. Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm going to move my stop to my trailing stop to break even +1. So I'll be like right here. Okay. I'm taking partials above the new week midnight open, so I need a little bit more. Right there. Okay, well, we'll take one off. We'll sell one right there. Okay. Now we've got all these fair value gaps, right? So let's see what the next candle does. Okay, so I got a fair value 1, 2, 3. So I can move this to here. Obviously, I don't want to see this get filled. 3 PD rays get violated. You are on the wrong side of the market. So I'm trailing my stop for 3 PD rays. So let's just keep going here. Okay, so there's 1 here, 2, 3. So now my stop can go up to this one right here. Okay, 1 tick below because you got that. Okay. Let's just come on, keep going, breakthrough. Just kind of respecting this fair value gap right here. All right, so we got 1 fair value gap here, 2, 3. So I'm going to move this up even more to right here. So 1 fair value gap. There's 1 right here to here. There's 2, and then from here is 3, right? So I'm 3 PD rays down. If it crosses this, then I want to be out anyway. So especially when I'm in trailing drawdown with Apex, I want to have this handled this way. Even ICT, if he's going to trail his stop, does the same thing. So look at that, violated. That's not good. Okay, it's better. Gotta break through that. Okay, when I'm that close, I'm definitely moving this up to here. Okay. Okay, there you go. Let's just see what happens here. Okay, let's move this stop. Let's go like this, and let's just let this play out. and see if it eventually takes the Asia high right there at the top of your screen and taps it, and it gets taken out right there at 709. So I wouldn't have held all that for that, but it does eventually hit it. That's what I wanted to show you. Okay, so what we did here, I'll take this long position off. Okay, we came to the chart and we saw that the Asia low was taken, and then we saw sell side liquidity be taken, and so we're looking for a reversal. We're aiming for that was the high of the day right now. Right there was the high of the day. And so we waited for a market structure shift. We saw optimal trade entry that corresponded with an order block and a fair value gap, and so we wanted deeper tracement, deeper pullback. We got it. We took our entry. We even could have got even a better entry, but we took at the top of the order block. And then we aimed for the high of the day, right? Opposing session liquidity could have been our target. We would have held it for a few more hours or 2 more hours, but we got 20 handles. That's a good day, right? So major liquidity was taken. We had a market structure shift, and we took our partials about 60%, and then we trailed our stop based on 3 PD arrays up. We were 3 PD arrays behind, right? We didn't just leave it at the low or the next swing high. We left 3 PD arrays. So if price was going to come back, it was going to have to break 3 PD arrays to go in the opposite direction for us to be taken out. And it eventually hit our TP, and that is your London Silver Bullet for Wednesday, October 4th.